Hello students, this is Priyanka Bansal from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to start next topic of chapter 3rd, as we have started chapter 3rd of business studies, that is business environment, and in this chapter we have done two topics. First, the basic concept of business environment, and the second, the nature or the feature of the business environment. Okay, these two topics we have completed in the earlier videos. If you haven't seen those videos, you can see, and if you face any problem, you can ask. Okay, so today we will discuss the importance of business environment. Okay, today we will discuss the importance of business environment, that what is the importance of business environment, why it is important. Okay, so first of all, I am going to tell you the meaning of business environment as a revision. Okay, I have told you in the earlier video the meaning, and again I am revising the meaning, that business environment refers to forces and institutions outside the firm with which its members must deal to achieve the organizational purpose. क्या है? Business environment is refers to forces and the institutions outside the firm with which its members means business environment के अंदर जो persons काम करें, the persons who are the member of the business must deal, they have to deal in the environment. Okay, because the people are living in the environment only, and they deal with the people to get the organizational purpose. What can be the purpose of the organization? To earn the profits. Okay, what can be the second? Survival. Okay, and third is related to growth of the business. Okay, these are the organizational purposes for which the business is being conducted. Okay, so business environment refers to forces and institutions outside the firm with which its members must deal to achieve the organizational purpose. Okay, and the organizational purposes are profit, survival, and the growth. So here the word we have used, forces and the institutions. We have used what in the meaning, what we have used, forces and the institutions. Okay, so what are the forces? Forces refers to economical effect, social effect, political effect, technological effect, which makes the effect or which makes the changes in the business environment. And the what are the institutions who are connected with the business, that are suppliers, customers, competitors. These are the institutions which makes changes in the business environment. Without dealing with these persons, the businessman cannot survive in the competitive world. Okay, he has to face all these forces and the institutions in the we can say in the present market, or if he is doing any type of business, he has to deal with all these forces and the institutions. Okay, so next we will discuss that which type of environment is found or which type of factors affect the business. There is two type of environment for the business organization. Okay, there is two type of environment for the business organization. First is internal and the second is external. Okay, first environment is internal, means which is controllable. We can say that on the internal environment there is full control of the businessman, and on the external environment these are the outside forces on which there is no control, of the businessman. Okay, so we will read the meaning of the internal environment. Refers to all the inline forces and conditions present within the company. Okay, these are the conditions which are arised in the business organization only, and which can affect the company's working, जो क्या है कंपनी के अंदर ही arise हो रही हैं, and these are making a great effect to the company's working. But the main thing is this, that these are the controllable. Okay, there is a control of businessman on the internal environment. He can make the changes in the internal environment. He can control over the internal factors. Okay, what is external environment? It is set of all exogenous forces that have the potential to affect the organizational performance, profitability and the functionality. These are the outsider. Okay, these are the outside factors which affect the performance, profitability and the functionality of the business organization. Okay, the external factors having the effect on the performance. These affect the performance of the business organization. These may affect the profit earning capacity of the business and on the functioning of the business environment, and the external environment is beyond the control of the businessman. Okay, so today's topic is importance of business environment. Why the business environment is important? Okay, so we know that business environment brings both threats and opportunities. As we have when we have discussed the meaning or the basic concept, in that also I have told you that business environment makes threats and opportunities both to the business. Means ये क्या है, कुछ challenges भी देता है and opportunities भी देता है एक businessman को to survive in the competitive market. Hence, understanding of environment helps the management in future planning, decision making. ठीक है, if the businessman has done the environment scanning, means understanding of environment is related to environment scanning. Okay, it is related to scanning part. Means if the businessman has understood the concept of environment, that he has known that what are the factors which will affect the working of the environment or the business organization, then he can plan according to that. Okay, he can plan and he can take the decision according to the observations which he has made during the scanning. Okay, so for example, we can think that competition increases by the entry of new firm in the market. Okay, if there is entry of new firms in the market, okay, it will make the competition for the existing firms, we can say. Okay, and if the businessman has done the scanning, if he has done the environment scanning, then he will be aware that the new firms can come. He will be aware that the new firms can come and give the competition to their business. So he can plan and take the decision according to that. Okay, if he has done the scanning, then he can easily compete with the new entry of the firm. Okay, so we understood that the business environment is very important in competitive market and in this business world. Okay, so now we will discuss the importance of a business environment on the basis of some few points. Okay, so first point is identification of opportunities to get first mover advantage. Okay, first point is related to identification of opportunities. Means in this, first of all, it gives the opportunity to identify the, we can say that what are the opportunities available in the business world. Okay, if the businessman is aware and he is doing the environment scanning, means he is having the complete knowledge of the competitive world, or we can say he has complete knowledge of the environment, then he can know that what are the opportunities available with him in the business. Okay, in the market, what are the opportunities which we can take the advantage. Okay, so why the business environment is important? It provides the opportunity to identify the advantage which are available in the competitive market and getting their benefits superior to their competitors. Okay, if the businessman is aware, then only he can take the benefits of the opportunities which are available in the market or in the environment for the businessman. Second point is related to identification of threats. As in the meaning only, we have discussed that the business environment provides opportunities plus threats both. Okay, वो क्या है, कुछ challenges भी आएंगे, कुछ ये आपके लिए problems भी create करेगा, and it provides the opportunities also. In the first point, we discussed about the opportunities, and now we will identify the threats. That what are the challenges, what are the deficiencies in our product which can be made, we can say we can improve our quality. Okay, so what is identification of threat? Correct knowledge of business environment helps an organization to identify those threats which may adversely affect its operation. क्या है कि if the businessman is doing the scanning of the business, then he can identify that what are the threats or what are the deficiencies which are having adverse effect on the organization working. Okay, so through this the businessman can make changes according to the requirement or according to the demand. If there is any deficiency, that can be removed and the product can be made in a good quality. Okay, for example, there is example that Bajaj Auto made considerable improvements in its two wheelers. उसने क्या है, Bajaj Auto ने अपने जो two wheelers हैं, in that he has made a great changes or we can say great improvements when Honda and other companies entered द ऑटो इंडस्ट्री. वो क्या कह रहा है कि बजाज ऑटो ने क्या है, बहुत सारे चेंजेस किए और वी कैन से द इम्प्रूवमेंट्स दे हैव डन इन देयर टू व्हीलर्स, जो उनके टू व्हीलर्स व्हीकल्स थे. In that, when they made these changes, when their competitive companies came, entered in the competitive market, then to make or we can say to increase the sale or to make or to give the competition to the other companies, he made the improvements in their vehicle. Okay. Next is tapping of useful resources. How it is important that we know that the business environment makes available various resources. What can be the resources which are provided by the business environment? That are capital, labor, machine, raw material. All these are the part of environment only. Okay, we cannot make separate the business from the environment. Okay, these all are the parts of the business environment only, and the business environment provides all these factors which are very important for the businessman. And in order to know the availability of resources and making them available on time at economical price, knowledge of business environment is very necessary. ये क्या कह रहा है कि that to if the resources are, as we know that the resources are provided by the environment. Okay, business environment will provide the resources, and if the businessman wants to get the resources at the economical price and he wants to get the resources on time, then he has to know the complete knowledge. He should have the complete knowledge of the business environment. Okay, so to tap the resources, to get the resources, it is very important to receive or to have the information regarding the business environment. Next is coping with rapid changes. It makes that coping with rapid changes. As we know that the market, if we goes to the fashion world, that it is very competitive and there is too much changes in this fashion world. So the business environment makes the coping with the rapid changes. It makes that the businessman can face the changes, he can take the challenges and he can earn the profit from the challenging world. Okay, so it is very important for the businessman to have the complete knowledge of the business environment so he can complete the work with full effectivity. Okay, next is assistance in planning and policy formulation. How it is very helpful, how it provides the assistance in planning and policy formulation. As we have discussed as we were when we were discussing the meaning, then only we have discussed that it provides the knowledge. If the businessman is doing the environment scanning, then he will be able to know that what can be the changes, what can be the challenges he can face, or he can be the competitors can give to him. Okay, so to provide the or to give the competition to the competitors, if the businessman is doing the environment scanning, then he will be having the full knowledge that what can be the challenges which will be faced by him in the future. Okay, we cannot predict the future, as we cannot say that this will happen. Okay, surely we cannot say, but somewhat estimations can be done on the basis of scanning. If he is observing the environment, then somewhat estimations, we can say assumptions, can be made so that he can plan accordingly. Okay, so understanding and analysis of business environments, so we can say that understanding and analysis of business environment helps an organization in policy and planning formulation. Okay, for example, ITC hotels plan new hotels in India. ITC hotels plan new hotels in India after observing boom in tourism sector. अब वो क्या है, उन्होंने क्या है environment को scan किया होगा that the tourism is increasing in India. After that they open new hotels, because if the tourism will increase, it means there will be requirement of new hotels, and it is possible only when they have observed the business. Okay, if they haven't observed the business environment, then they cannot plan for the expansion, or we can say they cannot make the planning or the policies for expanding the business. Okay, so if the businessman is aware of the business environment, then he can make the changes, he can accept the challenges which are given by the competitors. Okay, next is helps in improving performance. If the this is a very simple point, we can say that if the businessman is aware towards the environment and he is having complete knowledge, we cannot say that 100% knowledge. Okay, nobody can have the 100% knowledge, but if the businessman is aware, then it means he will be having the knowledge of the changes what can happen in future, or we can say what can he can know the challenges which can be given by the competitors, and he will be ready to take the challenges, to face the challenges. Okay, so like this correct analysis and continuous monitoring of business environment helps an organization in improving its performance. And what it says that the environment scanning is not be done for one time or a single transaction only. Okay, there should be continuous observation of the business environment, so that the businessman can know the present and the what can be the changes in future. He can take the estimation. Okay, so like for example, there is an example that Western company which could not cooperate with the changing environment. There was a Western company who could not cooperate with the changing environment. Okay, they were unable to make cooperation with the changing environment, means there was a lot of changes in the market and they were unable to beat the challenges. वो क्या है, challenges को face नहीं कर पा रहे थे, and due to that they faced lot of losses. Okay, and there was a great loss to them. They lost their name in the TV market. अब क्या हुआ कि they were unable to compete, or they were unable to scan. Okay, they were unable to scan. What is the meaning of scanning? Scanning means complete knowledge. Okay, means having the knowledge of the environment, that what will happen. Okay, so the Western company was unable to cooperate, and due to that they started losses. They were suffering from the losses, and due to this we can say that the incomplete knowledge, or we can say that they were not doing the environment scanning. Due to that they lost their name in the TV market. And whereas BPL Oneida did scan the environment, उन्होंने क्या किया कि they were doing the continuous scanning of the environment. They were watching that what are the changes given by the, or we can say what are the challenges which are given by the competitors. They were scanning, they were observing the conditions of the market and making the changes according to the needs. Due to that they are still competing successfully in the market. Okay, they are giving the challenges to the multinational companies also. So But we come to know that the environment scanning is very important, because if the businessman will have the knowledge of the environment, then only he can face the challenges and make profits in the competitive market. He can then only he can survive in the, and then only he can make the growth of the business in the competitive market. Okay, so students, we have completed the topic, that is importance of business environment. Read this topic from the book. If you face any problem, you are free to ask. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.